This is Google Pixel 8a, and today I'll show how you can factory reset this phone through its settings. So first you will need to launch the Settings app, then enter the System category. Next open the Reset or Reset Options page. Here go for the Erase All Data Factory Reset, Erase All Data, Erase All Data. Now the process has been successfully sent underway, so simply wait until it finishes, and once you'll see the initial system setup interface, that means that the factory reset procedure has been completed successfully. So here's the initial system setup, which means that the factory reset is done. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.